So hi everyone, today we'll be exploring a very interesting GenAI tool called as Sweep.ai that helps you create automatic pull requests for your Git repo, help you resolve your issues in Git repo that has been raised by other users and add features. Now the best part being that you don't need to have any codes and this all can be done using Git UI straight away. So you don't need to Git clone your repo or use some CLI, use some ID, not required. It all you can integrate your Sweep with your Git repos and eventually automatically when an issue is created Sweep takes care of it. So let's get started. So you need to come to the sweep.dev website and then eventually click on install Sweep. Now once you come to install Sweep, if you're a first time user you must be seeing a green install button in place of configure. As I've already used Sweep, so eventually it's giving me a configure button. Now eventually I'll go to the configure button and then navigate to my git repo traffic turbo. So how to use Sweep and how to add features using Sweep, you need to create an issue in your git repo. So if I create a new issue, you can see an option to create a Sweep issue. So get started. Now you can see that the title of the issue starts with Sweep colon. So this is to add a label so that the Sweep AI bot will then take care of it. If you don't mention this, it would be a normal issue created. So now I'll be adding a feature that has to be added. Create a test.py file that prints hello world. So I'm creating a very baseline issue. You can go for complex task also, no issues. Now I will be doing a submit new issue. Now the rest of the things would be taken care by Sweep automatically. You will be seeing a response from Sweep AI bot. As you can see that it has reacted and Sweep AI bot has started now. So you can see that the progress is 0% for now. It is doing some searching. As you can see that I'm creating this ticket using GPT-4. You can have 4 GPT-4 tickets left for the month and 2 for the day. So it is right by default is GPT-4. But I think if GPT-4 tickets get exhausted, it by default is GPT-3. So it's free and you can use it. So here you can see that it is creating tasks step by step. It has created a test.py file, adding a Python CBag at the top of the file, importing print function, all that stuff. It is telling you what it is coding. Code review is going on. Step 2 is done. Here you can see the plan and execution also. So if it is a complex code, you can see a bigger flow diagram. So that's the best part. You can see the progress here. 50% of the job is done. Code review is under the way. And then multiple things you can see in this particular thing. It has committed also. You can see a commit ID present. Now, at times, Sweep might not be working as smoothly as you're looking here. So, in that case, you need to go to the comment section and add something like this: sweep colon and retry, and then comment. So, in that case, it will restart, and eventually things should work fine. So, you might see like PR failed. I'm not able to create a PR request and all that stuff. In that case, it would be retrying the whole stuff again. We have reached 75% of the total work that has to be done by Sweep. So once it reaches 100%, you'll see an automatic pull request that has been created in your Git repo also, and then you need to merge it, and then the features get added into your required branch. Yeah, it has been created. Everything is done now. Here you can see that create test.py file that prints hello world. The pull request has been created. This is the pull request. As you can see, you can give a feedback also. All the comments that has been done. You can add these rules also to clean up your code. So that's the best part. After the add all doc strings and documents should be updated, all that stuff. If you put a green tick, it will take care of that. Now reviews are required. Merging is blocked. Merging, I have blocked it, so that doesn't merge on its own. So you can review the code and eventually merge the pull request. Now, if you look at the pull request window, you can see that there is a label called as Sweep and what you can see. So this is how Sweep is quite smooth to use and very easy to use and can be helpful in managing big Git repos where you are getting a lot of issues, where you are adding a lot of features also. So and you don't wish to code at all. So this is how you can use Sweep with your Git repos to add new features and resolve issues automatically to create automatic PRs.